I am a relationship manager. I'm currently working with Citibank Pune.
I never expected that the batch would have such a vast experience in terms of the people and the different domains that they are working onto. Having enrolled into the program and it's almost 6 months into the program, I personally feel that it was a really good idea for me to enroll for this program because my batchmates which are there, if I'm not wrong, the first introductory session conducted by Jaro as well as IIM Nagpur is where I realized that the minimum experience which were there for the people who enrolled was somewhere in the range of 11 years. Not just the faculties who were very good in terms of explaining every concept, but I would say there was a lot of peer learning as well from my other batchmates who were there and who had enrolled for the course. I think until now, in the 6 months of course, we had 4 different faculties. There were 2 visiting faculties also. I would say when I did my MBA, there was a different ball game altogether because we were more inclined towards book and a course and an exam kind of a learning, where we never really had a corporate experience to probably understand the intricacies of how does a technology works, or how would a manager react to that. If you ask me, Professor Nilesh Gupta, he was more inclined towards making us realize what a manager would do with the data which is there. Same goes with Arun Pathak sir. He's a pure strategist. I mean, for every question or everything which is there, he made us think and he gave us a tagline calling "It depends." So I think that's a real big plus point for the professors who are involved in this particular course. In my personal experience, it has helped me in terms of understanding a lot of new technologies which we only know that someone else is using at the back end. The underlining thing which I learned specifically from this course, at least till now, is where does this data come from? How can we actually look into the data in a different manner? Like how I was mentioning earlier also on, professors telling us there's a data and how you use the data. That is where the exact work of a manager comes, specifically in a corporate world. So personally, it has taken me 2 steps ahead from where I was before joining this course in terms of understanding the data and the technology behind it. It also made us realize that there is a lot of scope in the regular work that we are doing. We do not actually look into it in detail while we are working in a monotonous work, but it gave us a few insights in terms of what could we explore in our future. Program is a very nicely articulated program, I must say. I was under the impression that a 1-year course probably will lose out on, the learning or probably not understanding the concept over a period of time. I would say it was not a very short program, not a very long program. It has every weekend is designed in such a manner that you do not lose out on a lot of your own personal time. You can cope up with that. You are being provided with a lot of study material as well as the cases well in advance, so that even though you have something coming up over the weekend, you can touch bases again. I think with the help of Jaro Education in terms of the meetings and everything and the support that they have, I would say it's an excellent job that both IIM Nagpur as well as Jaro Education has done in terms of putting it in the right manner, also giving the time to working professionals in terms of going through the course in the right manner.
I'm like the front end for my organization, Citibank. So I think Jaro Education played a classic role of me being me in terms of explaining what exactly is the course about. They also helped me in terms of understanding, how the course would be. I think there was an evaluation process also, which was very well explained to me in the inception. I wanted more of an extensive course to get into, obviously because of my interest in the specific technology, as well as looking at the future. And to go hand in hand, I think Jaro did help me in terms of bridging the gap between the institute as well as my own understanding. And they were there every time from the inception to enrolling me into the course, to probably helping me with my financial requirement also. There with us during our Zoom sessions also. Anytime we have any technical queries, I think they are the first one to help. So kudos to Jaro Education for that, I would say.